Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your ultimate destination for all things fashion and beauty. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of lavender summer outfits. Lavender, with its soft and dreamy hue, is the perfect color for summer. It exudes a sense of calm, elegance, and sophistication, making it an ideal choice for a variety of summer looks. Whether you are heading to a picnic, a beach day, or a casual outing, we have got you covered with the most stylish and captivating lavender outfits to elevate your summer wardrobe. Let's get started. Lavender is a versatile and flattering color that suits a range of skin tones. It's soft yet vibrant, making it a perfect choice for summer. This pastel hue can be styled in numerous ways, from casual day looks to elegant evening outfits. Here is now how you can incorporate lavender into your summer wardrobe to create stunning and memorable look. For a relaxed and effortless daytime look, lavender can add a touch of charm and freshness to your outfit. Here are some ideas to inspire your casual summer wardrobe. A lavender sundress is a summer essential. Opt for a light, breathable fabric like cotton or linen to stay cool and comfortable. A lavender sundress with delicate floral prints or lace details can add a feminine and romantic touch to your look. Pair it with white sneakers or flat sandals for a chic yet casual outfit. For a laid back summer look, pair a lavender tank top with denim shorts. This combination is easy and stylish, perfect for a day at the beach or a casual hangout with friends. Accessorize with a wide brimmed hat and sunglasses to complete the look. Rompers are comfortable and stylish, making them a great choice for summer. A lavender romper with ruffle details or a cinched waist can create a flattering silhouette. Pair it with the espadrilles or flat sandals for an effortless casual vibe. Eating out for brunch date with your friends, lavender outfits can make you look effortlessly chic and put together. Here are some stylish options. An off-shoulder lavender top paired with a white jeans is a classic and elegant choice. The off-shoulder design adds a touch of sophistication, while the white jeans keep the look fresh and summery. Add some statement earrings and wedge sandals to elevate the outfit. A lavender wrap dress is not only stylish but also flattering for all body types. The wrap design cinches at the waist, creating an hourglass figure. Choose a dress with subtle prints or ruffles for added charm. Complete the look with heeled sandals and crossbody bag. Lavender maxi skirt paired with a white crop top is a trendy and comfortable option for brunch. The flowing skirt adds a touch of elegance, while the crop top keeps the look casual. Accessorize with a statement necklace and strappy sandals for a perfect brunch outfit. Summer is all about beach parties and fun in the sun. Lavender outfits can help you make a statement and look fabulous while you enjoy the waves. Here are some beach party outfit ideas. A lavender bikini is a must have for any beach lover. Choose a bikini style which suits your body type, whether it's a classic triangle top or a high waisted bottom. Pair it with a sheer lavender cover up or a sarong for a chic beach look. Don't forget for your wide brimmed hat and sunglasses. A lavender play suit is perfect for a beach party. It's easy to slip on and off, making it ideal for transitioning from a beach to a party. Look for play suits with fun prints or details like tassels and fringe. Wear with flip-flops or slide sandals for a laid-back vibe. A flowy lavender beach dress can make you look effortlessly glamorous at a beach party. Choose a dress with a bohemian vibe, featuring crochet details or a tied skirt. Wear it with a gladiator sandals and a beach bag for a complete look. Remember to accessorize thoughtfully and choose styles that make you feel confident and beautiful. Thank you for joining us in Luna Fashion and Beauty. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Don't forget to share your favorite lavender summer outfits with us in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish and enjoy the summer with your fabulous lavender outfits. Bye for now.